Hello, this is Anthony George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And you won't get to see this till after they bring me a new modem tomorrow. My modem has been cutting the internet off, and this is the back market iPad. It keeps saying it's charged 1 minute and not the next. But I've been waiting for something to solve this problem in that I can return this when I get done. I have a 1 terabyte hard drive connected to the Mac Mini. This is my hitting the wooden shelf by the door. I have to get it borrow it off my neighbor. Broke my nose open, hurt like hell. Cannot give you the channel numbers because for the first time in 16 years, my television is turned off. Hope it turns on again because yesterday at 6 p.m. the internet went bye-bye. I spent 3.5 hours on the phone with chat and two guys on AT&T, and they determined it's not you, it's not billing. The modem keeps shutting off by itself, and your modem is 5 years old. So tonight, tomorrow morning, whenever I get up, and I'm really lost without my dots to wake me up. I turned the iPad on to wake me up, and it sent me a visual notification, but no beeping. So, I get to move the bins out of the bedroom so that the guy can get to the jack in the wall. Years ago, the guy from Comcast cut the wires on the phone jack under the refrigerator table, which was the former Apple II table. Oh, this isn't working. I'm going to cut. Why are you doing that? He never got an answer. He just snipped them all off and left the receptacle for the phone plug, the 4-way prong plug, hanging there and out of the whole wall. Really stupid. So this is the bottomless pit of laundry. I spent from noon to 4 washing 2 loads of laundry, and 1 load didn't dry right. And then Kathy had a problem, so I had to wash her shorts. So this is what came today. This is Pittsburgh unboxing. And despite what this troll has said, I am the official and the real and the authentic and the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, not the imposter that lives in Missouri and claims to be me, and it cost me a lot of views and revenue. So this is, I missed out on the 5 terabyte because eBay wouldn't take my brand new Capital One credit card under the name of Anthony George Senda, which is my full name. So I got today, finally, brand new from Macari. Now, Apple sells 5 terabyte these, but they're about $200. This was $90 plus shipping. I'd have to look it up. So this is the LaCie Rugged Mini drive. 2 terabytes, folks. And external storage, internal storage have gone through the roof now. They give you a cable, which was nice of them. They wasn't expecting that. And a little instruction book that melts in your hands, not in your mouth. 2 pieces of paper. And a box telling you what to do. And then all you get is this box. I don't know if there's anything on the box other than this chart. Nope, it seems to be welded in there. Oh, it's cut out. Do that later. And I've had one with C hard drive. And then there's the cover for the drive. And the hard drive. In all its glory. Brand new. Never been opened. Unseen by human hands. Even monkeys. And then somewhere here, I'm not sure where, it's maybe time to clean the desk a second time. Somewhere in this pile, all kinds of stuff piled up here, is the case for the drive. But I don't know where it is. That keeps it from being damaged if you drop it or something. Give me 1 second, see what's up here. Nope. I don't know what I did with it. Problem, I put these things, and Kathy was here. She had to go to Safeway get food. I did laundry from noon to 4. I'm wiped out, and I have this bin of dirty laundry to do tonight. I'll wait till it gets cooler. It's just too hot right now. I don't know where it went to. I'll have to find it. But I have the nice orange zippered case. I just moved stuff around a couple of nights ago, and I don't know where I put it. Might be buried under something. I feel like Indiana Jones here. Not up there. Oh, this is it. I didn't recognize it. And it's the sky. See, it's the sky is the black case. Nothing racial. There it is. So what you do, you take this, you put it in here, you hide it, you clothe it, and then Dracula Drive comes risen from the grave. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. So that was $90. Now it'll be in there and be safe, and you can drop it. Shouldn't hurt it. I will always have later coin roll hunting, the exciting coin roll hunting. Okay, fetch points are 92,202, and I got 383 points. I complained about it. The fetch app changed the word Safeway to EW. And I said, hey, I got all these points I'm supposed to get. And also, I got Pop Secret popcorn. I took 2 bites, made me sick. Got to take that back to Safeway and get my money back. That's made by General Foods, General Mills, General Doolittle. I don't know who the hell makes it, but cereal company. So this thing, if it won't charge, I'm going to take it to Fix That Mac, have them go over it, see what's happening, and then if it still won't charge, it's having a problem, I'm going to send it back to Back Market, my money back. All right, I have $40 in quarters for later. I can't even lie down until I fold up all this stuff. And Mama Cat can't get in the bed. She came in earlier, and she tried to come in with Kathy, who was here, but she said she looked at me and went squeak and ran out the door. I think she'd know Kathy by now after 15 years, but no. All right, that's it for this one. Have a good night. Stay dry, stay hydrated, stay safe, stay cool or warm as the case may be. We're supposed to have a monsoon in the Bay Area next week with a lot of rain. We'll see what happens. So that's it for this one. Glad I'm not in Phoenix because it's 111 degrees there today. All right, this will be put away tonight, and then I will need another shower because I'm so. Kathy was wearing the same shirt. She loves. I got her this shirt, and she loves this shirt. I don't know if I can get another one. The other two iPads, this one and the one behind me, buried under the tons of laundry, is still working. So this one's the weird one. It was marked as excellent on Back Market, which is why I bought it. It's not excellent. It should be marked as fraud. All right, that's it for this one. This is Anthony George Sender, the guy from Pittsburgh. Thanks for watching. Click like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you next time. Stay cool, everybody. Have a great weekend. They had a car show down the street just now. Telling a guy he had a SS convertible on. I said, my mother bought the yellow Chevy Bel Air, I believe, convertible, 1965, Ellis Brooks Chevrolet, corner of Bush and Venice in San Francisco. $3,000. My dad got drunk. We went to Vegas, forged their signature, sold it, and took off. $25,000 now, maybe more. Some of them 50, but it was brand new from the dealer. $3,000, 1960. 365 was a lot of money. I was 13. So, all right. My mother was not happy with having to walk all over Las Vegas and just bought a brand new car, the convertible car, which looked really cool. I will see you next time. Have a good Friday and a good weekend. Bye-bye for now. This is George Sender, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this has been Pittsburgh Unboxing. See you later.